Stock number 42152W 2015 X5. Left side fender looks good. Left side front door looks good. Left side rear door looks good. Quarter panel looks good. Quarter panel glass looks good. Tail lamp looks good. Left rear door panel looks good. Left rear seatbelt looks good. Right front seatbelt looks good. Looks like air cleaner box. Engine cover. 3 headrests. Right rear, center, left rear, left front, right front. Seat, left side looks good, unbolted. Right side seat looks good, unbolted. Headliner looks good. Headliner looks good. Panoramic roof. Gray interior. Dash looks good. Display screen looks good. Center console lid looks good. Rear door panels have the sunshade option. Left front door panel, left front door panel. 7 mirrors good. Master switch. Steering wheel airbag. Steering wheel controls. Speedo. This one's with the heads-up display on the dash. The heads-up display. Switch. Shifter. Navigation control. I don't see ignition switch, so this must be a push start. I don't see the push start though. Screen. Rearview mirror. Some visors are good. Overhead console is good. Side mirror good. Left side. Hood looks good. Never mind hood. Damage is bent here. Also big dent there. Hood damage. Coolant reservoir. Cabin panel. Wipers. ABS pump. Shroud looks okay. Front shroud looks okay. Front reinforcement looks good. The right side headlamp damage. Booster. Master cylinder down there. Right side fender damage. Right side fender damage. Rack and pinion. Left side axle. Front stabilizer bar. Intercooler. Other intercooler. Right side view mirror. Damage. Right side view mirror damage. Damage. Right front door. Small ding right there. You can see it right there. Small ding. Right rear door looks good. Right rear door looks good. Quarter panel. Right side looks good. Quarter panel. Glass looks good. Right rear door panel looks good. Sunshade option. Right rear seatbelt good. Right front seatbelt good. Engine cover. Seat is good. Was it a radio receiver? Not sure if that just snaps back in. Right side front door panel. Right side front door panel. Dash looks good. Glove box is good. Glove box is good. Right side sun visor good. Once again, headliner is good. Gray. It's got panoramic roof. This is the radio and AC controls. Rear bumper looks good. Rear bumper looks good. Just minor scuffs right there. Nothing major. Right side tail lamp is good. Right side tail lamp is good. Transfer case. Right side axle. Cooler. Oil cooler. It looks like power steering cooler. Shocks are electric shock. Left side, right side, electric shock. Liftgate, good. Tail lamp right side and left side are good. Back glass good. Rear wiper motor good. Spoiler good. Roof's good. Antenna. Lower liftgate good. Lower liftgate good. Muffler good. Muffler good. Muffler good. Rear differential. Right side axle. Rear. Left side rear axle. 545. That's actually a 545. Right side knee looks good. Right side knee looks good. Left side knee looks good. Left side knee looks good. Rear bumper reinforcement looks good. Rear bumper reinforcement looks good. Left front knee looks good. Left front knee looks good. Inner fender liner looks okay. Left side. Inner fender liner. Radiator core support on bolts. Radiator core support on bolts looks good. Radiator, condenser fan. Everything's good. Part of the lower shutter looks like it's broken here where the light mounts. I believe that's part of the air shutter, as you can see right here where it goes. Right here. Right side, knee, bad, knuckle damage, lower control arm damage, other control arm damage. Strut is good, upper control arm is good, knuckle bad, both lower control arms are bad. K-frame is damaged, front K-frame is damaged right there, broken. The number is 344368 685 14. Ya está. From bumper, looks like here there's some damage, but looks like part where the fog lamp, no, where this bezel goes. Let me know if you guys want to keep it or delete it. Damaged tab right there at the bottom right here. Damaged tab. Here is just, I think, just the plastic cover that's damaged, maybe. It looks like just the plastic cover is damaged. Let me know if you guys want to delete it, not delete it. Fog lamps, grills.